New month, new beginning, and crude oil has made its intention clear. On the very first day, it has breached $80 levels. Remember, those who follow me from long, I have mentioned several times that I am staying bullish in crude oil, and we can look at the results here. It is certainly staying bullish, achieving higher highs. Now, what does this mean? Can we expect oil to rally in the month of March? Can we expect more rise? Can we expect it to move towards 85, 88 zone? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil in the month of March? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon in order to stay tuned with the twice a day updates. First, I share my crude oil targets with the Europe and Asia session, and next with the major new events and the US session. Two updates a day. So thus, press the bell icon, subscribe, do like, share, and comment as well, friends. It's a great motivation always. Let's start. In this analysis, first we'll look into charts and indicators. Towards the end, I will be sharing the trading levels and strategy for the week and for the month of March. Watch till the end. First, let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence, certainly signs of bullishness. Second, look at the movement here. See, after staying bearish, you can see rise retracement, higher highs, higher lows, and it is again on the path of higher highs. Now, higher highs means it can try to move towards 82.4, 82.5 zone. And if you see oil staying beyond 85, you can say now it is giving a breakout. That is the first point. Second point, now where is the bottom of this channel? 75, 73.8. These are the levels any point of time in the month of March. If you see crude oil is staying below 75, 73.8 zone, you can treat this as a bearish reversal. Now, also on the daily charts, one must look at moving averages or trading with divergence. What has happened here? Look at the formation here. Rise, retracement, rise again, higher highs, higher lows. On the daily charts, the lows are now stationed at around first at 76, 77.8, 77.5, and then at 76. Now look at the formation here. Couple of bullish candle retracement. In my daily update, I have mentioned that after retracement, it can give a breakout. Beautifully, it has stayed bullish and moved towards 80.5 levels. If you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable, though it has retraced. The MACD is divergent. The MACD is bullish. The MACD is looking upwards, and after forming the bottom, it appears MACD has still lot much of room on the upside. RSI is rising. This is again one of the bullish sign you should look at. So also on the daily chart, see first bullish candle and it is diverging. So I expect that in the coming week, first few sessions can also lead to bullish momentum here till midweek. Coming to weekly. Now before we look into weekly charts, one must look at, see the drop was sharper. The rise is gradual. What this confirms that in the near term for last 6 months after the drop, it is under retracement, not a reversal, because a reversal has to be equally sharp enough where the slope has to be slightly vertical. But right now it is trading with a slant. Thus, a breakout is what is required for it to confirm the bullishness here. Coming to weekly. Now, look at the weekly charts. After the drop, I have mentioned and shared very clearly. Look at the supports here. Look at the support here. It has formed a very, very good support, and it is also delivering higher lows here. So if you connect the dots, higher lows, higher highs, this suggests that oil might try to hit the highs of this channel. Where are the highs of the channel? You should look at, see the drop here, and if you connect this, you will find the highs are far above $100 levels, and that is also for next 2 to 3 months. Possibly if it stays bullish from the current levels, we can look forward to 1900. But now look at the weekly charts again. If you observe here, it has consolidated enough and then gave this break, and after the breakout, see it has shown a swing, then reversal resistance here, and it is giving a breakout again. Now remember, $80 was the critical milestone which oil had to break. It has breached $80 in the last week, and now it has left a room for it to continue with the rise in the coming week as well, and this could lead to a stronger rise which can take the prices towards 82, 82.4 zone, and then we can look forward to 84.5, 85. Yes, a stronger rise can be expected from the current, but it has to break first 80.5, 81 zone and then 82.5 in order to stay bullish. Moving averages on the weekly charts are still bearish. Remember this fact. Stochastic is rising. The MACD, look at MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, trading bullish. Look at MACD, I have mentioned several times. See, it has formed a bottom, triple bottom. It has shown a rise. Then this was the retracement. It has retraced and it is looking forward to a rise here towards the moon. And this confirms my stand, which I have shared in the beginning of the year and in the beginning of the last month as well, that oil and energy prices will be the one which will put a dent in the inflation, in the control of inflation, because higher energy prices may lead to higher inflation. And in coming few weeks and few months, this is going to play a major role. That is what is my expectation. And thus rising inflation, you know what is the repercussions of that. So now, yes, I am still looking forward to bullishness here. RSI rising. Coming to monthly. Now look at monthly charts. Very simple. Drop, retracement, drop, double bottom. Is it forming a W? Yes, it appears it is forming a W. If not far, at least towards this zone. And if not this zone, if it breaks this zone, then towards this zone. That is what also confirms my stance that possibly the bullish momentum may prevail. But right now, also one must look at the moving averages are still one over other, staying bullish. Double bottom, or you can say W formation, is seen. Next, the month has started. Just one must look at the preceding candles higher lows. So higher lows suggest that even if it tries to drop, that is why I mentioned 75, 73.8 is going to be the level for the coming month, which is going to play a major role. If at all you see oil staying below 73.8, we can look forward to a drop towards 72. However, I will still not treat this as bearish as long as $70 levels are not taken. $70 from the current level is almost a 12% correction in a single month. Second observation is, see, the bearishness was sharp, the bullishness is gradual. This suggests that still the bulls has to show an interest, and thus it is very, very important for it to stay above 81 levels and then 85, 84 zone. If these two levels are taken, then only we can confirm that the bulls are back. If you look at the stochastic, this has started to rise, looking upwards. The MACD is trading bearish. It is not yet converged or it has not yet crossed over. But let me show you one interesting things. And those who follow me for long, I have shared this for long. Look at this formation. Can you see something? It is very easy. Look at this. Just clear your observation. First rise, then retracement. And this includes the oil prices from 2015, 2016 onwards. This is almost a 10-year cycle coming to an end. And this could lead to the beginning of a bullish wave. And this monthly candle and the coming month, that is month of April, are going to be the decisive factor for deciding the future of oil. RSI rising here. Now, let's also have a look at the 4. Now, look at 4-hour charts. Consolidation here, taking support from the 2050 period moving average. We have seen this rise. Now, where is the support zone? We know that 79, 78 is going to, 77.8 is going to be a prime support level. It is trying to retrace, it is trying to come back within the zone. Thus 78.8 you can sell, but 78.6, 78, 77.7, very, very strong support, below which only you should treat this as bearish. Stochastic overbought. MACD, look at MACD trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. It can converge a bit, but it has still lot much of room available on the upside. RSI has retraced, now trying to look downwards. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I provide the trading levels and strategy for the coming week and the month, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 29th mentorship batch starting 4th of March. Couple of seats are still available. Register yourself now. Equip yourself with the tools, strategies, help you identify profitable trades and trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. For any of your queries related to the mentorship batch or the signals channel, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. Both are mentioned in the channel and video description. Next is you can join the free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates and The last is those who ask me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, which is available with the presence across the globe, where the transfers are easy, and also which offers diverse range of instruments with offers a free account and with the least spreads. Yes, the account where I trade and the broker is mentioned in the channel and video description. Trade here. Also, do visit my platform forexhonda.com where you get answers to all your queries and major informations are also available there. All the market insights are available there. Do visit the platform. Now, first let's talk about the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy in the coming week at 79.8. We have to wait for it to break beyond 80.4, 80.6 zone. And if oil breaks beyond this, I will look forward to 81.4 levels. After this, the next target is directly towards 80. Now, these levels will remain applicable not only for the coming week but the entire month of March. Now, if you see oil breaking beyond 82.5, stay bullish. I will look forward to 84, 85.5, and there is further bullishness which we can look forward to towards 87. Beyond 87, sky is the limit. These are markets, anything is possible. You should keep your options open. Just keep trailing your stop losses, and remember, if it shows a swing, we know that the major trend is clear unless and until it breaks the support level on the downside, which is a reversal confirmation. So yes, you have to trade accordingly. Now let's have a look where to sell. I will recommend a sell here at 78.7 levels, but rather you can sell here at 79.2, but this is going to be slightly riskier because it has stronger support at 78.8, 78.5 zone. Very strong support in between this zone exists for crude oil. If it breaks below this, then 77.8 and 78. And only if oil stays below this, you can say now the bears are taking over, and we will look forward to 77 first target and then 76 levels. Chances for which appears to be less, but yes, if you see it is staying below 76, yes, swings cannot be denied. Remember, swings cannot be denied. It can hit the lows and bounce back. 76, 75, and 74. These are going to be the critical levels here. And as I shared, 73.8, rather, let me write here, not 74, but 73. Only bearishness in oil is below 73.8 levels. And if at all oil breaks below 73.8, you can treat this as bearish. Else, as long as 73.8 is not breached, do not treat this as bearish. It can bounce back again on the upside in this month itself. I am looking forward to a rise. I am still bullish, and possibly the month of March and April are going to be decisive. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the daily updates for crude oil, twice a day updates, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. These two define the direction and strategy for the day. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do join my channel memberships. Do join the mentorship batch and the signals channel. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.